Looking at this picture, can you actually say that these are ladyfinger? Give it a thought. Hello friends, I welcome you all in my kitchen at Healthy Kadhai. Today we'll be making these cute little bites fried ladyfinger. You can serve these as an appetizer, snack or even as a side dish. So let's quickly see what all ingredients do we need for it. We'll take 15 to 20 pieces of ladyfinger, wash it nicely and then dry it. After that, we need to cut it in approximately 1/4 inch pieces. We'll just simply remove the ends and we'll cut it into small pieces. After cutting, transfer ladyfinger pieces in a bowl into which we'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd. Mix it nicely. We need to soak it in curd for around 10 minutes. Curd will give nice flavor to our ladyfinger. In another bowl, we'll combine rest of the ingredients. First comes besan or gram flour. Then goes half a cup of rice flour. You can even use cornmeal. In spices, we'll add salt as per your taste. Then add black pepper, red chili powder, and we'll mix everything well. Rice flour will give nice amount of crispness to our fried okra. Then into this mixture, we'll add our soaked ladyfinger. We need to coat the ladyfinger pieces in this dry mixture. With a spoon, we'll coat each of the ladyfinger pieces with this dry mixture so that it coats evenly. We'll try to separate each piece as much as possible so that these do not stick to each other. And here you can see all the pieces have coated well. Now we'll take another bowl and we'll sieve off the excess dry mixture from the coated pieces. So simply sieve it. We'll get nice coated ladyfinger pieces on top. So here our coated ladyfinger pieces are ready. Simultaneously, I have kept mustard oil for shallow frying. Once the oil is heated, then we'll carefully add coated ladyfinger pieces in it. We need to continuously stir all the pieces. Ensure that the flame is on medium to high side at the first stage. So we'll keep on moving all the pieces in the pan because we want an even color. Now you can see that the ladyfinger has started to turn little brown. At this stage, reduce down the flame to medium. We need to stir fry it till all the pieces become crispy and they get nice goldenish color. One can even call this bhindi pakoda, or it's a very interesting ladyfinger snack. So it will take approximately 10 minutes for our fried okra to get ready. After 10 minutes, you will see that yes, these have become very crisp. Now we'll drain out these pieces on a paper towel to absorb excess oil. And here is my fried ladyfinger ready to serve. Isn't it looking truly tempting? These cute little ladyfinger bites will be relished by everyone. You can have a closer look at it. All the ladyfinger pieces have coated really very well. These are crispy, tasty. I simply love it, and I'm sure you will also love it too. Your kids, your family will enjoy having these cute little bites. So do try out the recipe and let me know how does it turn out for you. I hope you enjoyed watching our today's video. Please do subscribe to Healthy Kadhai if you want to see more such interesting recipes, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.